Okay, so I'm not super good at doing voiceovers, but I'll absolutely do my best, and I'll do my best not to stutter. Alright, let's do this. Alright, 2021. It really wasn't the best year. But it didn't mean it didn't have good moments, right? Right? Alright, 2021 was for sure a year to remember. Not just because there was some disease that ran rampant, but I think it allowed the opportunity for us to take a step back, to learn or to relearn who you really want to be. I know for me, in 2021, I learned so much about myself. Through the joy and the pain, I grew. I made some incredible friends. I also did a lot of stupid things. But I really made some of the most amazing memories that I'll never forget. I hope 2022 is a year you remember.
I prefer wave to the camera.
Hello.
I hope you make bonds with people that'll never be broken. Make memories you'll never forget. Conquer your biggest fears. I hope you have so many adventures. So make this year yours, and make it the best year that you've ever had.